The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is on the horizon, and it's looking like 2025 is going to be a wild ride for tech lovers. This phone is expected to launch early next year as part of the Galaxy S25 series, and let me tell you, people are buzzing. There's a lot of chatter going around about some big changes, and of course, we're all dying to know what's true. One of the latest rumors? Samsung might be ditching the signature boxy design in favor of a more curved look for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If that happens, it's going to be a fresh take on an iconic design, and it's got fans seriously excited. But that's not all. There's also talk that Samsung is planning to go big with the RAM in the higher-end versions of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to leaks, you might not need to drop all your cash on the priciest model to get 16 gigs of RAM. Nope. The 512 gigs and 1TB storage options could come with 16 gigs, meaning you don't have to go all out just to get the best performance. That's a pretty sweet upgrade, especially when you think about it. The last time we saw 16 gigs of RAM on a Galaxy S was way back with the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the S20 Ultra in 2020. Both of those had 16 gigs of RAM, but only in the 512 gigs storage version. Since then, Samsung has kept things at 12 gigs of RAM on the S22 Ultra and S23 Ultra, even when they introduced the 1TB storage model. But if the leaks are right, the S25 Ultra could finally be getting that 16 gigs RAM we've all been waiting for. Imagine how smooth everything will run with that kind of memory. It would definitely keep Samsung on par with competitors like the Google Pixel 9 and OnePlus 13, which both offer 16 gigs RAM as an option. But wait, there's more. The base model of the Galaxy S25 might also get a RAM upgrade, jumping from 8 to 12 gigs, while the S25 Plus could have 12 gigs of RAM across all storage versions. So yeah, it looks like Samsung is leveling up in a big way when it comes to memory, and honestly, we're here for it. And let's not forget about the One UI 7 beta that Samsung just dropped on December 5. If you've got a Galaxy S24 in places like the US, UK, India, Germany, and South Korea, you can get your hands on the beta right now. The official stable version, based on Android 15, will arrive alongside the Galaxy S25 series in January 2025. Now, Tipster Universe claims that the subsequent version of One UI 7 will add a new audio eraser feature with the S25 lineup, which is not currently available in the Beta 1 version. This is going to be a game changer for anyone who loves making videos. You can use this feature to remove background noise, like wind, traffic, or random chatter, while keeping the voices nice and clear. No more awkward moments where you can barely hear what someone's saying over all that noise. It's all built into One UI, so you won't need any third-party apps. Super convenient, right? Aside from that, One UI 7 is packed with AI-driven features that are meant to make your device even more intuitive and fun to use. Samsung is clearly aiming to make their phones smarter and more user-friendly than ever before. So, what are you most excited for with the Galaxy S25 series? Do you think the design overhaul will look as cool as the rumors say? Or are you more hyped about the RAM boost and new features? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're most looking forward to. Catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.